Hello and welcome. My name is Errol Muller, and in this video I'm going to show you how to trade Forex using Fibonacci Retracement. I'm the owner of ErrolMuller.com, and this is if you are one of those individuals who likes to create multiple sources of income, then this site is specifically for you. We will head over to the Forex trading tab in just a second. So let's quickly head to what I said I'm going to share with you. It's how to trade using Fibonacci Retracement. Now, I'm going to share with you also a little known trading, call it a trading style or a trading system that you can apply to your daily Forex trading. If you want to gain 10 pips, 20 pips a day, depending on how much how much pips you want to make per day, or how many pips you want to make per day. And then I'm also going to show you how you can quickly make use of it. Now, if you don't know what it is that I'm talking about, on the top right hand side of your screen right now, there will be a video popping up showing you how you can make 10 pips per day. So let's get to the strategy that I'm talking about right now, and I want to show you how to trade Fibonacci retracements. Now, there are numerous ways for you to trade Fibonacci retracements. I've been trading Forex since the year 2014, 2015, around about there, up until now, and I've basically automated my Forex trading for me, where I no longer need to sit in front of the charts anymore. And then you might ask yourself, Errol, why are you sharing this with me? It's because I want the same thing for you. This is what you've searched. I'm going to share it with you, and then I'm also going to show you how you can start to automate your Forex trading, whereby you literally just put the money in and the robot and everything does everything for you. It makes money for you while you sleep, while you work, while you jog, while you exercise, while you go on a holiday, whatever. It works for you 5 days of the week while the markets are open. So let's quickly, I'm just going to draw an advanced pattern here quickly, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by this. It's called advanced pattern trading. I've also got a free course that I give away completely free for free, and I'll show you at the end of this video how you can get access to that course. I shot that course about 3 to 4 years ago, and the things that I teach in that course are still valid till this day. 90% of it, and you can still take that if you don't know anything about Forex trading, especially trading using Fibonacci retracements. Then that course is for you. So this is called a bearish bat pattern. Now, there are numerous ratios for this, and what I mean by ratios is if you click on the Fibonacci retracement, and I had to draw it in from there to there, these are what you call retracements. Now, a lot of people will show you different things on the internet, and it's all about testing, back testing, changing the actual trade entries, stop losses, and changing the ratios of the bat pattern in order to make it a successful pattern. Otherwise, if you trade every single pattern that you see out there, I can almost guarantee you that you will fail. You will not make any money in the financial markets. Then again, big disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Everything that I share with you within this video is literally all of my results, and I do not give any financial advice. Please do your own research. I highly suggest you do that on your own. Now, so I'm just opening up a new tab quickly because there's something that I'm also going to share with you. So back to this bat pattern, what I want to show you is, so this is your X to A leg, and then your A to B, it's marked clearly. It is above the 50%, which is perfect for me. And then the B to C, and then the C to D leg, which is right at the 886. Now, if I quickly delete this Fibonacci retracement, I want to draw in another one. So from the bottom upwards, that is, I want to leave it at just above this 618 Fibonacci retracement, and then if I draw it in completely, then it will bring it back to, for the C to D leg completion right here, it will bring it right back up to an 886. Now, why am I sharing this with you specifically? So there are numerous ways for you to enter a trade. You can use a pattern like this to enter a bearish, let's quickly, I don't want a trend line. Let's go with the trend line. I just want to see if it's going to make a difference. So yes, so if you want to enter a trade, then you would use a bearish Gartley pattern, bearish bat pattern like this. You would enter at the D leg, which is at the 886% retracement. I share all of this with you within my free course, and then that is how you would enter the trade. So if the markets looked something like this, so we pushed, I'm gonna scrunch up this chart a little, delete that. So if this was the market came down, back up, and then back down, and then let's say back up, and then back down. So I don't want to bore you with this. I want to share something with you quickly. So if this was the market, and we knew that the overall trend of this market was a bearish trend, meaning a downwards trend, we would use this pattern in order to literally get into the trade, and then we would set our take profits, a take profit 1 around here, and then we would set another take profit around here, and usually this pattern works out to a 2-to-1 ratio, meaning 2 times the profit for 1 amount of risk. That is basically, and your stops would literally just be right above the X leg if there's no previous structure to the left hand side. So let's say this will be the take profit, or not the take profit, the stop loss. So if you had to enter right here, that will be your risk, and then this will be your reward. That is what I mean by a risk reward ratio, 2-to-1. So 2 reward for 1 risk. Very, very profitable and successful pattern. Now this is a pattern that I just shared with you. I want to share something else with you, a very, like I said, on the top right hand side, that video that shows you how to trade and make about 10 pips per day if you want to make 10 pips and not more. I'm going to use a simple example. So let's quickly delete on these end lines, and then I want to share something with you. So let's say this section of the chart did not exist. I'm going to scrunch this up a little. So this section did not exist. Okay, so we knew that the market, so as an example, we knew that the market was in a bearish trend, that meaning a higher time frame trend. So like on a daily it was bearish, and on the H4, meaning a 4-hour chart, it is also bearish. We would want to see how can we get on the trend in order to receive the most amount of profits, or not just that, to make at least 10 pips profit. 10 pips profit per day. Imagine, you can just do the calculations yourself. 10 pips or 20 pips profit at standard lots, or 2 standard lots, or 5 standard lots. If you don't know what that is, then I highly suggest you go search and find out exactly what a standard lot is. So let's say this is the overall trend line. We're in a bearish trend. This section of the market has not been revealed yet, but this specific candle right here is very, very important. We call it a 382 candle. What do I mean by that? So if this is you select your Fibonacci retracements, we're in a bearish move. So as soon as I see this candle, I want to enter in the very next candle. What do? Is you literally take your Fibonacci's all the way from the top to the bottom, and the reason we call it a 382, firstly, the market, so it doesn't need to be the wick, or the body of the candle does not need to be that small. It can be slightly bigger. It can look like this bullish candle or this bearish candle, doesn't matter, but as long as the candle looks similar to this and it falls in the 382 range, meaning, so I literally took this Fibonacci retracement, I drew it from the top to the bottom, meaning the body of that candle right there, that small body, falls between the 0 and the 382% retracement, meaning it's looking, because the bulls pushed it up and then the bears said no ways, it's pushing it back down. And then look what happened. So you would initially look for the downtrend, you would place your stops right above this previous structure right here, support zone right there. You would place your stops right around there, and then I'm not going to share too much about that. And then look at what happened. Look here, boom, boom, market tried to push back up, nothing happened, and then we moved all the way down. For you to make a 10 pips, 20 pips, you can put a trailing stop on this, you can trail it for as much profit as possible. It's entirely up to you. Look at that amount of, so if this, let's quickly do this, if this was your risk, the amount of risk that you're willing to take, and you literally entered right here, this very next candle, which is this candle right here, so let's do this, and you moved in a downward spiral. Look at that. That is like a let's quickly see, there's usually a risk reward. Where will that be? I just want to see. There is a risk reward measurement that I can use in order. Okay, that's fine. It's just to show you guys basically. Where is that? I'm sorry, I don't want to bore you. I'm literally looking for that right now. It's to show you the actual risk versus the reward. It will not be there. It will not be there. That is the text. That's not the text. It's usually around long position, short position, date and price, fixed volume. No, it's not that. Either way, I wanted to show you so you can look at it for yourself. So let's do this. This is quite simple. So let's see, enter right there. Do this. That is your one risk, and then for reward. I want to move this line. Okay, doesn't allow me to. So it's about 1, 2, 3, around about 5 reward for one risk. Look at that. That's crazy. And that is just a simple system. Now, what do I do to automate all of this? I don't have to sit in front of the charts every single day like this, analyzing, waiting for the markets to form the correct candle. Are you one of those individuals who want to sit there all day, or are you one of the individuals who would like to automate everything for you? Let me quickly share something with you. I'm going to head over to my channel, and then, no, it's not this one. On my channel, I do a live sharing of a Forex robot, and then I'm also starting a Forex robot number 2. As you can see, Forex Trading Live, robot 1. I'm starting a Forex robot number 2 shortly, where I grow the account live, and I mean live. It's a live account. I'm not joking with you guys. You can watch this video. I grow from $100 to $10,000 live. Within the last 2 weeks, we saw I think it's a 6.8% return on investment for the last 2 weeks. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. And we are sitting currently with this account, we are sitting at, if I'm not mistaken, at around 400 and just pardon that. I'm shooting and I've got numerous tabs open and I'm recording, so yes, just bear with me. It is a little on the slow side right now. Come on. Okay, so while that is still busy loading, I want to show you how you can get access to this Forex trading robot, as well as setting up multiple sources of income. So you want to head over to my website, errolmuller.com. Excuse me, let's pause that quickly. You are more than welcome to browse around, see exactly what it is that we have to offer on this website. And then most importantly, I want you to head over to the Forex trading tab. Pause that. I want you to head over to the Forex Trading tab. Once on the Forex Trading tab, I want you to enter your email address right there. That is Forex Trading. Sorry guys. I hope that paused now. Okay. That is Forex Trading Robot number 1. That is the one that is on this live chart. Let me quickly just fix the quality of the video for you, so I can share with you exactly what you would be seeing if you check back to my channel every single week, every single day, from a Monday to a Friday. You will see this live stream running. Now, enter your email address right there. That is this robot running right here. And then robot number 2, I'm busy setting up the live stream. I want to share the live stream with you, and I want you to check that out as well. So check out both robots. That is for you, the individual who would like to automate your trading. You do not want to sit in front of the charts. It is highly profitable. I promise you, it is highly profitable. If you are brand new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and turn on all notifications. Please give this video a thumbs up. So this is the robot that is currently running. I'm not going to play it now. It is a live stream. You are more than welcome to check it out. So you can check that out. And then at the same time, I want you, while you're checking it out, I want you to follow the chart and see how it is taking trades live. Like literally, as you can see. So if I had to play it right now, you would see that it's going to play, but my my system is going to lag a lot, so you would see it increasing, and by doing so you would literally see this account go from $100 to $10,000, and that is exactly why I started this video. I know this has been a rather long video, but I just wanted to get that out there. So once again, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, check out my website, and if you have any other questions related to Forex trading or any Forex trading strategies, in the comments below right now, let me know what would you like to see more of, what strategies, what types of videos. Thank you, I appreciate you. Have a blessed and a wonderful evening going forward.